time for Nyam Nyam's gorgeous chocolate leaves cake. All you need is 250 grams of cake mix and 3 eggs. 30 millilitres of oil goes into that and 60 millilitres of milk. Whisk that up. You can buy ready cake mix from the store for chocolate cake, makes things much quicker. We're going to lightly spray a cake tin with oil and put a layer of wax paper on the bottom and pour in our cake mixture. Give it a tap and stick it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now we're going to melt some dark chocolate buttons, and using a paintbrush we're going to paint it onto some clean leaves. This is the fun part. Bring out the artist in you. Now we're going to chill that for 30 minutes, and once it's set we peel the leaves off and you get this beautiful leaf impression left on your dark chocolate. Put that aside. Now 150 millilitres of whipping cream go into a pot on the stove. Heat it till it bubbles away and then pour it onto 200 grams of dark chocolate. Now mix it really well until all the dark chocolate has melted into the cream. Look at that. Now 20 grams of butter goes into that. Room temperature butter is just perfect. Mix that in until it's all melted in. Now, getting our chocolate cake out of the oven, we're going to pour our chocolate fudge mixture over the top, letting it drip down the sides onto a baking tray underneath. Chill that for 30 minutes. Once it's slightly set, we add chocolate buttercream around the bottom edges, using a serrated edge nozzle on a piping bag. Now, time to add our chocolate leaves for decoration. Let's make a flower, using chocolate buttercream for finishing touches. Look at that, delicious. Professional results in minutes.